Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you how to fix PUBG Lite crash problem. Follow these steps. First, ensure your device meets the minimum system requirement for PUBG Lite. If your hardware is outdated, consider upgrading RAM or storage for better performance. Then make sure your game is fully updated. Go to the PUBG Lite website or game launcher and check for any update available. Also, update your graphics driver using GeForce Experience or AMD Raid on software to prevent crashes. If your game is crashing due to high resource usage, try lowering the graphics settings. Go to settings, graphics, and reduce options like resolution, shadows, and textures for a smoother experience. Over time, cache file can cause permission issue. Clear them by pressing Windows button plus R and typing %temp% and deleting the files. Also use disk clean up to free up space. If you are running too many apps in the background, can cause crashes. Run Task Manager and close unnecessary applications like browsers, screen recorders, or downloads. If nothing works, then try reinstalling PUBG Lite. Uninstall the game, then restart your device and download the latest version from the official website to fix any corrupt files. And that's how you can fix PUBG Lite crashes.